Hi, welcome to Divine Mock Test YouTube channel. We are currently at the Burlington Drive test location, and we will be bringing you their G2 Route B. G2 Route B. There are 3 routes here for G2, and possibly they will be taking you on one of them. I will suggest or advise that you watch all the routes that we have, route A, B, C for G2, before you show up for your test, so that you are well informed about whatever you need in order to pass your G2 in one shot. You can contact us just in case you need any help as you prepare for your G2 test on 647-289-6514. So make sure you show up with a car that has no issues. Make sure your brake light works, your signals work, your horns work, and there should not be any cracks in the windshield. Your tires, your wheels are well pumped, and you have at least a quarter tank of gas before you show up. So usually when they come, after you check in and they show up, they will conduct a circle check around the car and make sure the car is in good condition before they take you on the test. After everything, they will now come in the car, read the rules to you, and ask you to sign if you don't have any question. And then once you sign and all is set, they're gonna ask you to turn right. So we are currently going on the route B. So signal and perform your 360 check, look around. Even if the center is quiet or the parking lot is quiet, they have a guideline they're following to mark you. So therefore, you still have to look around. Take nothing for granted. So I am turning right after looking around. And watch out for pedestrians. Now at the end of this lane, there's no stop sign, so you yield right of way. Look left and right and make sure if no car is coming, you just go without stopping. But there is a stop sign right at the corner here, so come to a complete stop and then proceed with caution. We're turning right. And we're turning right at the traffic light. Make sure you have a good distance between you and the car parked in front of you. You should always be seeing the ground beneath the back wheels. So stand through the intersection as you proceed, and then pick up speed and change lane by default, unless otherwise told. So for route B, we're going left. So change just one lane, unless you are told to go all the way to the other lane. There are 2 lanes turning left here. So we are currently in the second lane. So once you turn, make sure you turn left onto the second lane on Brandt Street. The street in front of us is Brandt. And the speed limit on Brandt Street is 60. So I am turning and looking through the intersection. Make sure it is safe. And then I turn into the second lane. And the speed here is 60. So I pick up my speed. And at the next light, you will be asked to turn right. So check your blind spot to the right, signal, and switch to the right turn lane. And it is red. Come to a complete stop, not rolling, complete stop. Look around and proceed with caution. You are allowed to turn right in red after coming to a complete stop. And the speed on those streets is 40. Because there's a school here. We're going straight. So look through the intersection. The name of this street is Mount Forest. Mount Forest Drive. And we're turning left onto Meadowbrook Drive. Meadowbrook Drive. And the speed here is still 40 on Meadowbrook Drive. And at the next stops, we're turning left. So signal, turning left onto Bluefields Drive. Bluefields Drive. And the speed is 40 as posted. And this is where parallel parkings are done. So they ask you to pull over, pull beside one of the cars, and perform parallel parking. The purpose for this video is not to teach parkings, but to show you the route. If you have any issue performing this task, you can contact us and then we will be of help to you. So I am making a 3.10 turn. 3.10 is the U-turn done in the neighborhood. It is a 3 move. 1, I reverse. 2, I signal, I move on. 3. So the speed still remains 40. And we're turning right at the stop sign onto Meadowbrook Drive. I see pedestrian with a dog crossing, so have to yield right of way. And I turn right onto Meadowbrook. And at the stop sign, we're going to ask you to turn right onto Mount Forest Drive. Come to a complete stop and proceed with caution, because those on the road have right of way. No one is coming. So therefore, I go. And we proceed straight on. Full stop. Watch out for your stops. And here the lanes stand double, so by default, switch to the service lane. And we're turning left onto Brand Street. And I am in the second lane. So make sure you turn onto the second lane on Brand Street. And the speed on Brand is 60. So pick up your speed unless there's traffic. If there's traffic, you flow with traffic. And make sure you don't block driveways for emergency purposes. And at the next light, they're going to ask you to turn right onto North Service. And we are turning right onto North Service Road. There's a yielding sign at the corner here. Make sure you look around because you don't have right of way before you turn onto North Service Road. And at the traffic light, they're going to ask you to turn right, and that takes you to the plaza. Stop when it's red and proceed with caution. And at the stop sign, we're turning left to the center. First come, first serve. I turn left. And turning left again. And anywhere here, they're going to ask you to perform any of the parkings mentioned. Either reverse, yielding right of way to pedestrian. So I am reversing. That is it for Route B. Route B. Route B. Burlington G2 Route B. If you need help in any area, you can give us a call on 647-289-6514. And if you are happy with our presentation, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and comment at the section for comments. Thank you.